Hello friends. Today we have a Samsung phone being repaired. The phone stopped charging. Most likely the USB connector is damaged. Let's disassemble the phone and see what the problem is. I also plan to look at the cables that go from the USB to the main board. Perhaps one of them came unfastened. This could be from a fall, or perhaps water got in there. The Type-C connector is filled with compound and is not visually damaged, so it should be working. Let's now look at the ribbon connector. Look friends, the phone's charge has resumed. Apparently I was right after all and the connector moved away from his place. As a rule, this happens from a fall. Let's wait until the phone shows at least a few % charge to make sure everything is working. Now it shows 0%. The phone showed 2% charge, which means the phone started working. It rarely happens that a plume comes off. In this case that's exactly what happened. Now we assemble the phone and test it again. All friends, as you can see, the phone is charging. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Good luck with your repairs.